This beautiful bush in front of me is Sapindus saponara or Drummondi, which is also called Western soapberry. It is called soapberry because its fruits, when put in water, produce soap-like extract which can be used as an organic detergent. It is a very beautiful bush. The leaves are light in color and it's an evergreen bush. It is actually a medium to large bush or can be considered as a small tree. It is a native of North America and it can grow in any type of a soil. Soapberry is used as an ornamental tree, or it can be also used to extract soap from its berries. Currently it's in bloom. See, these are the soapberry flowers. These are small white flowers and some of the flowers already have berries on top. See here, I don't know if I can catch it, but on the top are orange color berries. There on the top are orange color berries. Holding some of the soap berries that fell down. Now if you notice, these soap berries are orange in color, little bit lighter than the soap berries that is called Rita that you get in India. So Rita is another soap berry that is a native of Southeast Asia, which is little bit darker in color. But this soap berry also produces leather just like Rita. So these are North American soap berries. It prefers full sun, at least 4 hours of sun, and it is a very fast growing tree. It can spread. So if you plant one tree, it's going to probably spread into many trees just from the fruits that it drops. So this is beautiful soapberry, Sapindus Drummondi. Thank you.